Hi, I'm Isa Baxa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 Bad Clients Freelance Writers Should Avoid, Part 4. For freelancers, bad clients exist. If you've been in the game long enough, chances are you've encountered a few. Some stories are frustrating, others downright infuriating. But what if bad clients become the norm rather than the exception? For some writers, it feels like a never-ending cycle, one bad client after another, leading to burnout. This is the fourth example, one of the biggest red flags, the samplers. These are the clients who demand free work under the guise of a writing test or a writing sample. The truth is, they're just collecting free content without ever intending to pay. Some of them claim it's just part of the hiring process. Others disappear after getting the work. And just like that, your time and effort go to waste. It happens far too often, and yet freelancers keep falling for it. So the next time a client asks for a free sample, ask yourself, are they really hiring or just collecting free content? Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.